Oh, hi.
Hi.
Welcome along. It is Play in the Park Storytime online with Jamie and Dora.
From the library.
Yeah, Dora's from the library. I'm from Play in the Park. Hey, should we sing a song?
Okay.
All right.
Let's do If You're Ready for a Story. Are you ready for a story, Jamie?
Born ready.
Are you ready for stories? Great. Here we go. Let's do If You're Ready for a Story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story and you really love a story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. Good clapping. Now, I think that our story might have somebody in it that looks like a kangaroo. And kangaroos are good at hopping. Are you good at hopping too? This time, if you're ready for a story, hop around. Here we go. If you're ready for a story, hop around. Hop, hop. If you're ready for a story, hop around. Hop, hop. If you're ready for a story and you really love a story, if you're ready for a story, hop around. Hop, 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 hop.
Okay.
Let's do one more.
Yeah.
This one. Let's go. Shh, shh. Okay, here we go. If you're ready for a story, go like this. Shh, shh. If you're ready for a story, go like this. Shh, shh. If you're ready for a story and you really love a story, if you're ready for a story, go like this. Shh, shh.
Quiet. Ready for a story.
Definitely ready for a story.
And our story today is Colouroos by Anna McGregor.
Published by Lithian.
She always knows who publishes these books. I don't know. Ooh, it's like a rainbow.
Lots of colours in this story because it's part of our colours themed STEM Storytimes.
Awesome.
Hope you enjoy it.
Here we go. Ooh, starting with red. You go, Dora.
Okay. Deep in the heart of the red centre lived a mob of red kangaroos. During a long, hot drought, the thirsty roos went searching for water.
I hope they find the water.
Wonder where they'll go and
desert in
find
the
it.
middle.
They hopped past the fire truck that rumbled down a dirt road. They hopped past the rusted stop sign. Stop.
Hammer time.
They hopped through the field of desert pea flowers. Hop, hop, hop. They hopped and hopped. But where would they stop?
Ooh. Meanwhile, where the blue mountains meet the sky, a mob of thirsty roos left their home in search of water. They hopped through the towering blue gums. They hopped in the cool shadow of the bluestone cottages. They hopped past a busy bowerbird, decorating his nest with anything blue. Bowerbirds like to collect lots of different things. They hopped and hopped, but where would they stop?
Ooh. Beyond the glittering skyscrapers of the Gold Coast, at a secluded beach of golden sand, a mob of, what colour? Yellow, roos stirred from their slumber in search of fresh water. They hopped through the puffs of soft wattle. They hopped past curious cockatoos. Rock, rock. They hopped along sun-drenched highways. They hopped and hopped, but where would they stop? Oh,
Wow. Look at all the colours.
Yellow, red and blue.
They're the primary colours.
They are the primary colours. Each mob thought the others looked strange, but they all drank the cool water. They were all scared of dingoes. They all leaped with long, long legs eggs. And they all ate the juicy grass.
Ooh. And at night time, when the colours left to dance in the sky above, they were all the same. After many moons rose and fell, something extraordinary happened.
Wonder what happened. Joey's arrived! Oh, cute.
Too cute. Look at them Joeys. Look. Oh, Dora.
A red Mummy Roo and a yellow Daddy Roo had an orange Joey, and she liked to comb her fur by brushing up against the Banksias. A yellow Mummy Roo and a blue Daddy Roo had a green Joey, and he liked to practice his hopping by chasing green tree frogs.
Oh, watch out, little tree frog. Oh, a blue Mummy Roo and a red Daddy Roo had a purple Joey, and she liked hiding.
Where is she, Jamie?
Sometimes she hid in the lily-pilly bushes. Can you see her hiding there? And sometimes she hid in her mum's pouch. There she is, sneaking into the pouch.
The young Joeys played together at the waterhole, but when the drought came to an end, it was time to leave. They look like they're playing chasey.
Yeah.
The kangaroos had arrived as the red mob. Oh, which one's the red one? Here. And the blue mob. And the yellow mob.
And they left as one happy, colourful family.
Oh, lovely story about colours.
Yeah. That
The
was
end.
Great. Colouroos.
And we've made a really cool activity for you guys to do at home as well. That's all about colours too.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Colours.
Hi, Jamie.
Oh, hi, Dora. Now, continuing on, we've been looking at colours. We read this book here, Colouroos, about colours, and now we're going to do a bit of an experiment involving colours, and we're going to find out some stuff. So, the supplies that I've brought along is some food colouring. We've got blue and red and yellow food colouring.
Which one's the blue one?
Oh, the blue one's in the middle. Here's the blue.
Where's red?
And here's the red, Dora.
And what other primary colour is there?
We have yellow.
Right.
Yellow primary colour. And what we've done is we've mixed that food colouring with vinegar. Have you ever tried vinegar? Oh,
I love vinegar on my fish and chips.
it tastes good. It's very strong smelling too. And we've got bicarb soda for this experiment. What we're going to do is fill up our dish here with bicarb soda. And we filled it up a bit earlier, so it's got lots, a thin layer on the bottom, not filled up all the way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop some drops of the colour in, and we're going to see what kind of reaction happens.
Ooh, that sounds exciting because we're using an acid, aren't we? The vinegar's the acid.
Yep, the vinegar is an acid, and we're going to see what happens when the vinegar mixes with the bicarb.
Cool, let's zoom in for this. Which colour are you going to use first, Jamie?
All right, well, I think I might go yellow first.
Okay, here goes yellow.
Okay, here.
What do you think will happen, kids?
Oh,
Can you see the fizzle?
just a little drop. Should I drop some more?
Yeah. Whoa! That's
Oh.
bubbling up heaps.
And a drop over here. And a drop over there. It's kind of fun. I know what it looks like when you're cooking pancakes and the bubbles come up. All right, what colour should we do next, Dora?
I think we should do some blue.
Okay, blue
Let's see
it
if we can
is.
hear it fizzing. You ready, kids?
Blue. And some blue over here. And some blue over there. And a lot of little bits of blue in the bowl everywhere. What colour do we have left to go?
We have one more primary colour we haven't used yet, which is red.
Red.
Okay, see if you can find some white space to put the red in.
Whoa. And some red. Oh, whoops. There's some red over there. And there's a bit of a space over here. I might put a drop over here. Whoa, it fizzled up and looks really cool.
Yeah, can you see the blue and the red and the yellow?
But Dora,
Yeah, Jamie.
that was food colouring with vinegar in the bicarb. Do you think it would behave the same if we used water instead of vinegar?
I'm not sure. Should we try just some water?
Okay, this is some water that we've put a little bit of yellow food colouring in. So it's not the vinegar. Let's see if it does the same thing. Will it fizz up?
Oh,
It didn't fizz up.
we can see it changing the colour to yellow, but there's no fizz.
One more just to be sure. This one, you can fizz. No.
No,
So
no
you
fizzing.
definitely need the vinegar to make the fizz happen.
Yep.
All right, well, we've proven that.
Hey,
Yeah.
how about, seeing as we've got 3 primary colours, we could try mixing some of the primary colours up and making some new colours, Jamie.
Oh, yeah. Let's give that a go. Because do you remember what happens when we mix primary colours together?
Yeah.
You get a new secondary colour. I wonder if that'll happen in the bicarb soda. Okay, this is a bit exciting. What colour should I go for first, Dora?
Maybe add some blue to the yellow. What colour will that make?
Blue and yellow. All right, now
Blue
I
and
won't put
yellow.
it on top of it. I'll put it next to it so that they can join together. Here we go, blue and yellow joining together.
Ooh, I can see some green.
Try again.
I can see the blue and the yellow and the green in the middle. Whoa, that one's fizzing, isn't it?
This is fun. All right, Dora, what colour should I add next?
How about this time making some red and blue?
Oh, what does red and blue make? Let's see, we'll find out. Red and blue fizzing together.
That's kind of just like red on top of blue, isn't it?
Hard to
Let me
see.
zoom right in and see if there's anything in the edges in the seeping. Can you see any new colours?
Maybe.
That one looks like a strawberry.
Maybe I need to add some fresh blue to it.
Fizzle, fizzle, fizzle. Oh, that's very blue. That one hasn't really made much of a mixture, has it? The red does look a little bit different. Maybe we could try a different one.
Okay, what haven't we done? Oh, red and yellow.
Okay, let's go red and yellow. Red and yellow. Oh, I can see some orange.
Some more yellow. So that
Whoa.
they're both fizzing together.
Fizzle, fizzle, fizzle. Oh, that looks orange in the middle, doesn't it? And on the sides where it's seeping through here as well. Nice work, Jamie. Maybe try adding a little bit of red to a blue colour.
That's what we did here. Okay, red to blue.
Put it next to... Oh, that's a good one. Oh, hang on. I've got to zoom in over there. How about next to this one? There's lots of space there. Cool. Oh, I can see some colour changing here. It's looking darker. It almost looks a bit like purple.
And add some blue. Whoa, I'm getting excited now. Can we join those two together?
Yeah. Oh, this is lots of fun.
And more red. Make a giant red.
I love the sound of that fizz.
Yeah, and doesn't it look cool?
Yeah, and have a look at this colour here. The yellow and the red have really made a nice orange colour together.
And oh, there's definitely some green on that one. Look.
Whoa. Wow,
Looks
that
like
looks
another
great, doesn't
planet.
it? There's red, blue, green, and yellow in that big massive colour.
Just keeps fizzing. I like the fizz.
That's super.
So, I think it's shown us that if you mix yellow and red, you do get orange, and if you mix blue and yellow, you get green, and red and blue, you get purple. You have to look quite close though to see the purple.
Some great secondary colours there. Thanks, Jamie.
And had lots of fun. I wonder if I tip it in straight from the bottle. Oh no, because then we don't have the vinegar. Rats.
Okay.
Alright, thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.